Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how I made these sweet potato cinnamon rolls. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In a large bowl, you want to add in all of your dry ingredients and then whisk until it's combined. Then you want to mix in your warm milk and your butter. After you mix that together, you want to go ahead and add in your yeast. Then you're going to go ahead and pour the liquid into the middle of your dry ingredients along with the egg and your sweet potato, and you're going to knead this for around 7 to 9 minutes. Once your dough has formed, you want to go ahead and spray a large bowl and add your dough to it. We're going to cover this and put it into a warm area for around an hour or so. Once your dough has doubled in size, we can go ahead and start making the filling, which is just brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Now you can go ahead and start rolling out your dough. Once it's all rolled out, you can go ahead and add your butter and your brown sugar cinnamon mixture. So now you can start cutting your cinnamon rolls. I usually cut them into like 1 inch or 2 as far as width. Then you can go ahead and add them to a greased pan, and you want to cover this with a towel and let it sit for another 40 minutes or until it's doubled in size. Once your cinnamon rolls has doubled in size, you want to go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Now we're going to go ahead and make the cream cheese glaze. You want to add your salt, your cream cheese, and your vanilla extract, and you want to whisk this together until smooth, and then you want to add in your powdered sugar until it's the consistency that you like, and your glaze is finished. And now we can top the cinnamon rolls. Once you finish adding your glaze, you now can dig in. Obviously, I think these are best served warm, so that's how I had them. They were very good. I will say there is only a slight hint of sweet potato, so it isn't a strong sweet potato flavor coming in. I wish, honestly, it was a little bit more, but still, nonetheless, a very good recipe and a fun little twist on regular cinnamon rolls. So, of course, as usual, the original recipe link will be in the description along with all of the measurements so you guys can make this yourselves at home. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye, guys!